8 September nya make chem da monhwase na bra monhwase no mamu yanye dem elephant was chasing elephant wa kwakoshe bush na kwakoshe bush no o cherry pa na nya make chem dem 2024 was a candidate papa mo be the NPP wonanyim no ba NPP oboko opposition wonye obetry wonye na ba second time wonye ba oboko opposition obetry wonye ba third time wonye ba oboko opposition. Then I saw a man coming and the man said, I can't wait and sit down for our party to go to opposition for 3 consecutive times. And when I look at the man was Kennedy on Agyapong.
Okay, so when did you write the book on Kennedy Agyapong?
So book Neze, I think that it was around March
2025.
Yeah, now
2025.
me and the commission to write the book. Then April it came again. So in May I said, let me just release it. That's when I released it. I'm putting 27 years of hearing and seeing, 18 years of pastoring the church in Accra on the line. My mission there, Agyapong, we win or prepare we Cocoa Face 2028 election. The flag bearer of the new patriotic party is Kennedy Agyapong. Into Martian come marker show there. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong on OBB lead NPP. So BBA Konako NCCR. I'm talking to you. The LBB Koko NCCR. Mini money there by 5 p.m. on Saturday. No. Now all the people in Kent's camp will have known that they have won.
5 p.m. Saturday.
Bochoe.
Abusia General Overseer ya woda Spirit Revival Ministry ano Prophet Bernard Nelson Eshon na abusia difo one propheter why very consistent ne komhye ya woda ba efa Honorable Ken Akompreku Agyapong ho na ye nyina enim se memene da ebeye enedwo Bernard wukwada ya woda fieda memene da ken na NPP for primaries no na wo mo de hyehyɛ so nze ho no na edifo ne komhye na wo mo ahye no ye be hu se hwan na kanokwe not forgetting say prophet also been also abe making remarks bia be mu krabo afu de yepa wo kire say edifo dodo na komhye na ekofa bi no nyame na akọ sa confusion say wo mo be hye sa in control no na prophet Bernard Debusia no kwasam say won ka edifo na hye nkom de kwa afando do no de nkomhye no ejina faako ye Honorable Ken Akompreku Agyapong na wo hye ne ho nkom free day one o hye nkom de ma Honorable Nebusia won sesa na no de besine na enam no ekase wakọ ene asempafo akwakodi enkomo ya na obi ena etie dwom na eno ena mpenefo se abosoba anema eja epayenti Prophet Bernard Nelson Eshon asan ede asisu dua people say Honorable Ken Akompreku Agyapong ena 31st January ya yemne de ye wono ena bedi abano emu enkunim wo se wo ye nyamedwuma 27 years ni enkomhye bia ni wafune no matofo ma atoafa ho enti we no ordinate 27 years in ministry and prophecy no eto ho say ne nkomhye na wahye e dafa Honorable Ken Akompreku Agyapong ho eno na ebebem too much GHSO ena we nugu so hwe message so be kam ho ne akwakowe video no say ne Prophet Bernard ehye nkom no ana wosi kan sam no na wode ne 27 years in ministry no etudwa
2015
yes.
That's like 10 years ago.
Yes.
Ehye abankom wo no
me hye nkom de nyame sin de NPP obo win 2016 na we win 2020. But we win 2020 we are and son ebeko 2024 no. Number 1, Agyapong will come forward the obepede contest Dr. Bawumia, but Oba only Alan Chamantin Befi party ni mu around the same time. Now work 2024, work 2024 NPP bobo lose election.
In 2015.
2015.
Video
2015, yes.
2015.
10
years ago.
And I repeated the same thing on the 18th of September 2021. 18th September, nyamika chemda monhwase. Na bra monhwase no, mamu yanye dem elephant was chasing. Elephant wa kwakoshe bush. Na kwakoshe bush no o cherry pa. Na nyamika chemda 2024 was a candidate papa mo be the NPP wonanyim. No ba. NPP oboko opposition. Wonye obetry wonye na ba second time wonye ba oboko opposition. About try when you have a third time, when you have a book opposition. Then I saw a man coming, and the man said, I can't wait and sit down for our party to go to opposition for 3 consecutive times. And when I look at the man was Kennedy on Agyapong.
And this is the 2021 vision.
This is the 2021 vision. Yes.
And the 2021 was to fulfill 2015, didn't you?
Was what do you call it? Another aspect of what the Lord have shown me in 2015.
In that's 2015 in the video.
If I've been looking for a lot of video, I'm looking at 2006 video about Akufo-Addo's coming. I'm looking for all of them.
Okay, you made a prophecy in 2015, a repeated 2021, and then 2025 in swear 2025 a sunshine come bio
2025 Mashepi.
No, make a day. Okay, so when did you write the book on Kennedy Agyapong?
So book Neze, I think that it was around March
2025.
Yeah, now
2025.
Me had the commission to write the book. Then April it came again. So in May, I said, let me just release it. That's when I released it.
May 2025.
Yeah.
And I saw in a release it.
Yeah. Oh, in Zamana March order that or Miss Bubuma number the modern concord print.
And in that book, no, specifically what they care about Kennedy Agyapong. As a Kennedy Agyapong obey then as far as this prime
in that book, no. One of the chapter talks about Kennedy Agyapong, the shock to the system, and the flag bearer NPP never expected. That is chapter 6 of that book.
Okay.
Kennedy Agyapong, the shock to the system, and the flag bearer the NPP never expected.
Oh, that's the whole message there. Obia gender and the no baba boom and Ken will come.
Ken Waba.
Hey. Waba.
Ken Waba.
And you are putting 27 years of prophetic ministry on the line.
I'm putting 27 years of hearing and seeing, 18 years of pastoring the church in Accra on the line.
If it doesn't come true, what should happen to you?
If it comes to pass, what will happen to me?
I'll tell you that in the answer me way. If it doesn't happen, what should happen to you?
When you are dealing with God, remove if.
Yeah, but you cannot remove it.
When you are dealing with God, remove if.
In the Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego can say, or in a young cotton sorry, you see a young coupon, but you say, why you if even it doesn't come true for us,
that was a level. That was a level of relationship between Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego with God.
Yeah, but you have also a bigger relationship with God.
And so that's what I'm telling that in my dealing with God, if it's not considered,
meaning there, that's something to or you one.
My meeting there, obi mpoche enuma.
Mehu pa.
So be catch or there on yam na meeting obejeza.
The onyawo net here. No mean.
Inti asna mehu pa nja na me catch on. Inti I don't see why or them may be consider if.
Perfect. Well, not at the hour no or yeah. Or yeah, definite there, nothing will change. My
measure there, Kennedy Agyapong will win my or prepare we Coco face 2028 election.
Yeah, but the thing is, into the conversation out there now is the relationship between data, science, and spirituality, in this case prophecy. Some of our very credible pollsters who polls our daba against in the spiritual realm. How do you marry the two?
I wanna why you post near religion na worry. Inti everyone obi ari anejuma. Inti mo yi onejuma na mas me ejuma. Ma meche nye dem ma nyame wa de ne zaatre me no onye de Kennedy Ohene Agyapong we win one election on the 31st of January 2026. We have the right to conduct their polls. We thank God. I can't comment on their work. What you will need, Juma. Do you need?
And also, you
must be a Juma. Now make it on the 31st January 2026. The flag bearer of the new patriotic party is Kennedy Ohene Agyapong.
Elijah got inspiration from God, and Bala konfone come Eja ama. Elijah told the king there, Omo enye we mfa Eja nguso ensa nsuo emra meguso. Ono so be so afre ne Nyankopon. Se osu fre ne Nyankopon na se oja eba yenkum Bala konfone nyina. Se oja na ama ono so de nenkwa etoso. And I'm talking Prophet Elijah. We know the exploits in the Bible.
That's right.
He also heard from God and will take God at his word and will make his our way. Why can't you also do same and say, sir, this is what I've seen from God. I believe God. Makase them and say, Amemua munye me say, why can't you do that?
All the over 27 years I've worked with God and speaking for him. I declare what God wants me to declare.
Like Elijah also.
Like what I have declared.
And like what Elijah also
Inti se eshe inkomsha nyame wa mama she efa Ghana ho efa amamman bi wa make nyame na aka no.
Sure.
I will know your problem. Mepede ye ne butu makoye. Ame mizanjide maka manyame wa diniza atrem no maka atro.
Yes.
The rest is up to you.
Yeah, but for people to believe in it, because mind you, the prophetic is not an end in itself; it's a means to an end.
Okay.
God gives spiritual giftings for His purpose on earth not to be established. Inti Eshenkom obim obita say, wow, I want to draw them. King the book of News, sorry, who will see, card okay, into Sanko for Yankopon yin I ever summon. That is the end game. So if a belief in the message enya from God, why can't you say there, this is going to happen? If it doesn't happen, I am closing down my church. If it doesn't happen, I am doing this. So for people to believe,
I don't belong to those people. When you are sure about what you are saying, match your book, Mizat to do there. My name is there. The manyame wa denizat remini. I'm a mission comma. You have the right to judge, to discern, criticize, insult, do whatever is up to you.
Out on phone.
I'm from Manyamiaka. Measure come there, Laurent Babo, be in a fee, International Criminal Court. I want now order with Chapu. I want to once off what but them would on from Manyamiaka and America. The fact there, now at that time, we only see that there, African president will be taken into International Criminal Court and will be released. On in the own see into Martian come Maka show there. Honorable Kennedy Ohene Agyapong on OBB lead NPP. So BB corner coin Sierra. I'm talking to you. The LBB coin Sierra. I've told you. All the people have come to me. I have told them the same thing. I told them the same thing 2024. They said it will not happen.
Are you not playing God?
No. Hey, I'm not God. So me nyamenka as a meyebinya amenyame me Nyankopon akoa. Inti menyame beka na meka. Inti meka na meje.
By a case in definite terms, Dodo.
Mekasa because me wuni muntu minka de me obi tina na beka de epede convince am beka de me
obi no
me ozina my the master as a me wuni mewu but as to there da when was the last time you had a dream?
Me pede me K me mental so dey.
So imagine yeah baba argue with you the answer there listen them me wuni mewu. There is nothing that can let me say I did not see.
I did not see.
Hey, I have seen it several times.
Let me ask this question. In the case of the MP delegates, but sorry, what's it 7 p.m. 7 a.m. Now we're upon 2 p.m. what on an account and I start, how would it be like? Or there was start the wobble result now from the get go, can win, another Obi take lead. Later, na can overtake. How would it be like?
Mamini mani there by 5 p.m. on Saturday. No, now all the people in Ken's camp will have known that they have won.
5 p.m. Saturday.
Bochoe.
In the intro, 5 p.m. Saturday.
5 p.m. 31st January 2026.
Prophet Bernard L. Bernard.
That's my
Nelson
name.
Ishen.
That's my name, Obi.
Now L. Bernard ne Aberdeen.
Oh, Mommy's in a.
Okay.
Okay.
Bernard L. Bernard Nelson Ishen.
So Bernard L. Bernard is my first name. Nelson Ishen is my surname.
I'm Professor Wambemuda.
Muntu Minchre. But Mutu Makade 2012, in fact, Michelle come the Jegufo Obabe president.
That's 2012?
No, 2020.
2020?
Yeah.
Then Jegufo Obabe president view.
Obabe president of Ghana, no, 2000, sorry, 2000. No, be.
Yes.
Now Michelle come there. So we need Juma at a meals no baba. No, obey. Ma Misanso Shem come there. At a mills, so obetini gwanuda obey 110 president because me vision na dan vision na me akufado na me at a mills na mu de wonan to abom na ba mu de wonan to abom no mu yanye there at a mills onye obi me bi say na wo so wewu nti me hye nkom there at a mills obowu was his in office. Na onem de mimu de akufado na atamels wonam ebien no na atamels we no me feel there atamels over by 2012, so I prophesy that akufado will become the president. But na minim there your mama baba, which I did not pray into it. And so from that experience nyamika asam chirema, I want to wait till I see it 5 times before I speak about it publicly.
And in the case of Ken, the demand will see.
Ken's on Max book, it's about 8 chapters. So I've seen the book contains over 8 different visions or 8 different times, and I've written about 8 different times. Mama Chowa Mumfemba out to cry is more than Mama Daba out.
Prophet. Obi say, and these are messages.
Okay.
Abusia wei are ne Prophet Bernard L. Bernard akoka ye ewo asempa abra na obi eti adwam ne no na ebimo kyerese o ene abusia se wokọ comment section ho a wotimo ze ho no ehuru ye papa ebi kyerese mema difo ema medada wo mo na nyame owo kwan so tizimi sisa na adwen biribia eti se de difo agye nkomhye na gina mu na wode ne ministry no airto line no ebetimi abase nyame ebesisa na adwene ewo kwan mebi so kyerese ampa wo mo difo no edi se ne nkomhye nyina ye nkomhye a etimi bam kroje enti 31st ne de se ne waka no sa ene tebusia sen na wo so wo kan e de fa nkomhye ho amese se obeja wadwen kyerɛ no ewo comment section ho e de amami all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like no wa share na foforo so enye bi ahwe bidin e de dark code makra.